Wait. Oh. I just had to make the mouth move. This mouth doesn't move very well. I have human hands. Like always. That's my signature thing now. Human hands. Well, I used this bird boy for the presentation. I bought a Japanese favorite called, I think it's Japanese. Don't look. I don't know where. Doesn't say. I'm pretty sure it's Japanese though. I can't breathe. I choose this bird boy. I choose this bird boy because it's easier to put it in my mouth and with this. At least I think I can. Do I really have to do this to make it talk? That's terrible. Welcome to my channel. You see my real mouth. Okay, so it's Hello Panda. I get to choose the strawberry flavor because strawberry is one of my favorite flavors. I should have done this in Ichigo because Ichigo means strawberry in Japanese, but I'm using Katana because I don't use them that much, and like I said, it's easier to reach in the mouth and put it in. I think it would be okay in Ichigo too, but I'm using Katana for once. So here is the package. Yeah. Now we're gonna open the package. You have this little bag in it. Don't tell Ichigo Katana's eating her favorite snack. Okay, I got it open. Let's chow down. Okay, so the cookie looks like this. What? Faded picture of a panda bear. Okay, here down the hatch. Bon appetit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Food orgasm. Okay. Mouthgasm. Alright. That was... I'm furry trash. Okay, that was... phenomenal. I'm gonna eat another one. This is my treat for the day. Plastic beak. Mom and Dad don't get any. It's all mine. Why can't I see? Oh, there we go. My mask was crooked. Alright, well, what? Jesus, don't fall on the ground. I rate this 10 out of 10. That's the best snack ever. Thank you, Japan and Freak Lunchbox, for this beautiful treat. Bye.